The history of aviation spans over 100 years, witnessing numerous technical breakthroughs during this time. However, the use of riveted joints has remained unchanged for many years. Airplanes are constructed using rivets instead of welding for several reasons. Firstly, rivets provide easy access for technical maintenance and repairs. In case of damaged parts, they can be easily replaced without exposing the entire structure to risk. Secondly, rivets exhibit high strength and can withstand significant loads with minimal weight. This is particularly crucial for creating lightweight yet robust structures in aviation. Thus, the use of rivets in aircraft construction ensures an effective combination of strength, accessibility, and lightness.